Yes, it will be challenging, but for the sake of our children and for the generations to come, we must confront the reality we now face. The time to step up is now, and we all must have the collective courage to do so. Acting now and with purpose will enable us to seize the many opportunities that arise from the transformation that is required. It will enable us to create new jobs and enterprises and develop new sectors that can compete and thrive in a decarbonised world. We will live up to the responsibility that we have to our children and to those yet to be born. We will have warmer homes, cleaner water, cleaner air to breathe, and a country where people are more connected to each other and more connected to our natural environment. We will do everything that we can to ensure that Ireland takes its place at the forefront of the global effort to get our lives and our planet back on a sustainable path. We will do the right thing. Go raibh míle maith agaibh, go léir.